Hello! In today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to do the sole of a slipper. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for all your support. Okay, the materials that you will need. I'm using this Premier Home. It's cotton 85% and 15% polyester, but feel free to use any yarn of your choice. I'm also using a 5mm hook. Again, you rather use a different size hook, feel free to do so. Just keep in mind that the final product will be different in size. You will also need a measuring tape, scissors, and a yarn needle. Okay, I'll be right back and we will get this started. First, I want to say a huge shout out to each of those that are following me on my channel. I just greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Recently I did a little contest and I noticed that I didn't have anyone be active in it, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this contest going for 2 more days, and in hopes that I will get a lucky winner to purchase, or I shall say get, a free pattern along with a purse that I designed. It has a really huge pocket in it along with eyeglass case and a change purse. In the meantime, if you want me to give a huge shout out on my channel, please take a screenshot of any of the videos that I have, post it in your Instagram story, and please be sure to tag me in it. Another way that you could also do so is leave a really nice comment on one of my videos. That's it. So what do you got to lose except for time? Thank you very much, and I will go ahead and continue. For this illustration today, it will be a final product for a sole for a newborn slipper, and it will measure 3.5 inches. We will go ahead and put a slip knot on the hook and make a chain 7. After that, we will then go ahead and do a single crochet into the second stitch from the hook, and in the next stitch after that. After that, we will do a half double crochet. Sorry for the technical difficulties. However, I just want to reiterate that the second the chain next to the hook, we're to do a single crochet and then a single crochet in the next, half double crochet in the following, half double crochet after that, and then in the next 2 stitches we will do a double crochet, and then in the last we will do a total of 7 double crochets in it. Okay, next we will do a double crochet into the next stitch, and then in the next 2 stitches after that we will do a half double crochet and then in the last we will do single crochet in the last 2 stitches. And that is the end of round 1. Next we will do a chain 1. Now for this round we will proceed by doing a 2 single crochet in the same stitch as the chain 1. We will do 2 single crochets into the next stitch. After that, we will do a total of 6 individual single crochets. In other words, a single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Next, we will do 2 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Next, we will do a single crochet in each of the remaining stitches, which should be a total of 7 altogether. Right now, your total length of the slipper sole should be around 2.5 inches. We will now proceed and go into round 3. Again, we will do a chain 1. Then we will do 2 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Then we will do a half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Okay, next we will do 2 half double crochets in the next 7 stitches. Okay, next we will do a half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. And in the last we will do a single crochet. We then proceed and do a slip stitch in the next, and then we will just cut off and weave in the ends. Okay, there you have it. Our finished product is 3.5 inches long. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.